Hi, and welcome to another RRC mini restoration. I already know this one will be messy, so I'm taking precautions by laying down some paper. So this time I will be restoring this intercooler. A, because it looks terrible, all corroded with bent fins, and B, because it has ingested a fair amount of oil, but more on that later. First things first, time to get it stripped down, so I'll be quiet and let the tools do the talking for now. You can already see traces of all the oil that's been through here from what's left in the Y-pipe. Also, this part will be getting replaced with an upgraded item later on. Now it's time to clean all the oil out of the core, and the best way I found of doing this is with petrol, or if you prefer, gas. All I do is pour it in and shake it around for a good while, and then pour all of the oily fuel out. Give it a rinse with clean petrol, and voila, one oil-free core. As you can see from this before and after shot, the core is looking new again. And you can see by the colour of the fuel just how much oil was hiding in this intercooler. Now to deal with all the corrosion on the outside of the cooler. As it's an all alloy construction, I'm going to vapor blast it to restore its original factory appearance. With the perimeter of the cooler blasted, I now turn the air pressure way down to make it safe to blast the core and the cooling fins. This removes all the dirt and corrosion from deep inside the core and restores its cooling ability. And now for the very slow but satisfying job of straightening all the bent fins with a pair of tweezers. With all the cleaning, blasting and now straightened cooling fins, this intercooler should be operating at 100% efficiency once again. Now, to head into the spray booth to seal the aluminium with a sealer to keep it good for many years to come. And while the sealer is drying, I will strip the dump valve or blow off valve to clean all the oil residue out of it too. These are very simple devices, consisting of a cap, spring, piston, and of course body, and should be stripped, cleaned and oiled periodically, although not many people seem to do this and wonder why they wear out quickly and leak, etc, etc. The rebuild is just the opposite of disassembly, so I won't insult your intelligence by explaining it. Much better. No engine oil or grime to be seen, and a nice smooth action, perfect for refitting. This is the replacement for the original Y-pipe I showed earlier on. Now, let's get it installed. The reason for replacing the old Y-pipe is simply because the old one is quite restrictive in terms of flow, and because it's made of plastic they tend to get brittle over time, and crack and give you boost leaks. So while I'm at this stage, it makes most sense to replace it with an upgraded version. Now to refit the lovely clean blow-off valve. I add a little high lamar when fitting this, as it's just a flat gasket and I don't want to risk having any boost leaks, as the engine it's going on is running a bit more boost than a standard Impreza. And there we have it, all built up and cooling at max efficiency again. Now I'm going to crack on with the main event, so to speak. So enjoy these before and after shots, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button and join me again next time to put the car back together.